All right, welcome back. I just felt it was necessary to add a little caveat and some information in the documentation here. So if we're in GitHub and we go to using Git in GitHub, I'm just going to kind of talk through this. If you're brand new to Git and GitHub, please don't let this throw you off the course. If you're kind of new to these and learning these tools, it is not a requirement. It's just something I thought I would kind of help along the way. So do not feel like this is a requirement. Do not let this stop you from taking this course. I also don't want you to get discouraged if you're not an IntelliJ user. I get a lot of students who use other IDEs, text editors, etc. And that is fine. Whatever tool that you are most comfortable with and proficient in, and that's what you like to use, that's great. We don't all use the same tools, and that's completely fine. If you're using something like Eclipse or NetBeans or a text editor like Visual Studio Code, do not worry about the things that I showed you in this section for dealing with Git and GitHub are just specific to IntelliJ, those tool windows. But everything that we did can be used in other IDEs. You can do it from the command line. We didn't do anything special in this section. So I know I kind of said this a few times now, but I just want to make sure we're clear with that. Do not let this stop you, and anything that you need to get done that we did in this section, you can do in your IDE or from another tool or from the command line. So I just thought I'd get that out. And with that, let's go ahead and move on to the next section.